Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will walk you through how to use copy.ai in 2025, from signing up to generating high converting content with AI. Whether you are a marketer, content creator, or small business owner, this tool will save you hours of writing time. Let's jump in. First of all, head over to copy.ai and create a free account. Click on get a demo button, then enter your working email address, first and last name, company name, then pick a choice, then click contact copy.ai. If you have already an account, click login and enter your email and go to your email inbox, then copy the code and paste here for verify your account. Once you are in, you will land on the main dashboard, or is follow the instructions or skip survey. When you are on the main dashboard, on the left side bar you will see templates, projects, workflows, chats, configuration, and right at the center you will see a welcome message and quick start option. Let's create our first piece of content. Let's say you want to write a blog post. Click get started button, create a new, then select chat, search or select blog post wizard, and right create a blog post content. Copy.ai will generate an blog post like that. You can edit, regenerate, or expand any part. It's like having a writing assistant who never gets tired. Need Instagram captions or LinkedIn post? Again, ask for social media caption for love. Now copy.ai will generate your caption like that. So cool. Boom. It gives you multiple options with emojis. You can copy, edit, and match them. Next, let's create a product description. I can write t-shirt product description. And boom. Now for emails, choose welcome email or cold outreach. Add your name, company, purpose, and click generate. This is perfect for e-commerce owners, marketers, or freelancers. Alright, a few quick tips before we work. Use projects to organize content by client or topic. Bookmark your favorite outputs using the save feature. Use copy, edit, and retry options to fine-tune content easily. Try different tones like professional, fun, or for variety. And that's it. That's how you use copy.ai in 2025 to write smarter, faster, and better. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching.